Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to get Video Copilot's Action Essentials 2 pack for free. Um, if your computer's kind of slow, you want to download separated by disks. If computer is somewhat fast enough, you can download the full Action Essentials pack here. Okay, here it is. This has every Action Essentials element in 720p. You don't even want to bother with the 2K version. Like, who doesn't? That is gross. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. There's probably children watching. Okay. Okay, once you downloaded that, that's my Facebook. Look at my Facebook. Open uTorrent to open it. Where is it? Here it is. It's on the top. I missed it. There it is, 12.5 gigabytes. You might think it's a lot, but really it's not that much. So here we have it in a WinRAR file. By the way, you will need WinRAR. You should already have WinRAR. It's like an essential tool for life. Give me a second here for this thing to there we go. Okay. Now to take this folder, Action Essentials 2, open it, then close it. Then we're gonna extract it to a folder I like to call Video Copilot, because that's where I keep all my Video Copilot stuff. And you want to open it in a Bridge. You can't open it in Bridge, or you can open it in Explorer. I like Bridge though because it can just, like, the preview mode, it can play like everything as long as you have the essential program for it. Like if it's a QuickTime file, you want QuickTime Player to play it in Bridge. There isn't an opening. I'm just kidding. I'm getting mad. Well, basically. Well, anyway, this should work. All the things are pre-keyed. If you go into video thumbnails, you can watch it like that. Oh, it opened. What do you know? So here I have my Video Copilot, Action Essentials 2. So I'm going to look at the video thumbnails since, well, yeah, it makes it easier to look at. Yeah, which one? Okay, so here we have all the stuff. I'm going to go in muzzle flares. I don't know why there isn't like a preview thing here. Let's see if I can, okay. Should be a preview thing right here when you open your Adobe Bridge, but I don't know why it's not opening for me. But it's fine. So basically we have all these. One thing I didn't know before this when I got it, all the single muzzle flashes, they also include smoke with them. So you don't have to get a flash and then apply the smoke. And if, by the way, if you want the smoke, it's in one of the particle hits or particle couches. You kind of can't see it. It's kind of cutting off from my screen, but you can somewhat see it. So yeah, a lot of good stuff here. By the way, you don't want to remember, as Andrew Kramer said, you don't want to use those. You want to use some from the Action Essentials 720p pack over here, which includes this texture. I like the textures one. They got these cool ones, like these what are the ground textures. Got like all these cool stuff. This is probably one of my favorites of it, believe it or not. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you and maybe someone else who's watching this video with you. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials on how to do stuff that you don't know how to do. That's why you look this up, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Like I said before, that rhymed. I should do that all the time. Whoosh prime. Okay, I'm done. Bye.